Before we dive into the world of blockchain, we'd like to make a small note. This video is for educational purposes only. All information presented is based on our understanding and interpretation of the subject matter. Our aim is to unravel the complexity of blockchain technology, making it accessible and understandable for everyone. Remember, technology is ever evolving, and so is our understanding of it. So, sit back, relax, and let's embark on this journey of discovery together. Up next, we will introduce you to the fascinating world of blockchain technology. Ever wondered what blockchain technology is? Well, it's not as complicated as it may seem. In essence, blockchain is a type of database. But instead of storing data in a standard file cabinet, so to speak, blockchain does things a little differently. Imagine a chain, each link holding a treasure trove of information. Each of these links represents a block. Once a block is filled to the brim with information, it's chained to the block before it, hence forming a chain of data, which is aptly named the blockchain. But what makes it truly unique is the way it stores data across its network. No central authority governs this system. Instead, every participant gets a copy of the entire database. Changes made are reflected across the network, leading to unparalleled transparency and security. Now that we've given you a basic understanding, let's delve deeper into how exactly it works. So, how does this fascinating technology work? Well, let's dive right into it. Think of blockchain as a digital ledger, but unlike your typical ledger, it's distributed across a network of computers globally, known as nodes. Each node has a copy of the entire blockchain, which is automatically updated every time a new block is added. So, what is a block? It's a chunk of data containing a list of transactions. Imagine you're buying a digital book. Your transaction, along with others, is recorded in a block and added to the blockchain. Now, here's the clever part. Each block is linked to the one before it and after it, creating a chain. This is where cryptography comes in. Each block is given a unique code called a hash. This hash is influenced by the data inside the block, and it's incredibly sensitive. Even a tiny change to the data inside would create a completely different hash. When a block is added to the chain, it includes its own hash and the hash of the previous block. So if someone tried to tamper with a block, the hash would change, breaking the link with the next block. The other nodes in the network would see the break and reject the change, thus preserving the integrity of the blockchain. Now, how are new transactions added? Well, once a transaction occurs, it's not immediately added to the blockchain. It must first be confirmed by multiple nodes. This process is called consensus. The nodes check the transaction details against the blockchain history. If the majority agree that the transaction is valid, it's packed into a block and added to the chain. This decentralized, transparent, and secure method of recording and verifying transactions is what makes blockchain so revolutionary. With every transaction confirmed by multiple nodes and every block linked securely to the one before, the system is incredibly difficult to tamper with. With this understanding of its operation, you're probably starting to see why people are so excited about blockchain. But why is blockchain technology so revolutionary? What are its advantages? Let's delve into the myriad benefits that set this technology apart. The first advantage that comes to mind is transparency. Unlike traditional systems, blockchain operates on a public ledger system. This means that all transactions made are visible and cannot be altered or deleted. It's like having a clear glass box where everyone can see everything, yet nothing can be manipulated. This level of transparency builds trust and accountability, reducing the chances of fraudulent activities. Next, we cannot overlook the unparalleled security that blockchain technology offers. Each block in the chain contains data, a hash of its own, and the hash of the previous block. This creates an unbreakable chain of blocks, almost like a digital version of the mythical Hydra, where once a head is cut off, two more take its place. If anyone tries to tamper with a block, the system will recognize the change, and the block will be immediately rejected. This fortified security is a game changer in industries where data security is paramount. Equally important is blockchain's decentralized nature. Unlike traditional systems where a single entity has control, blockchain is distributed across a network of computers. This eliminates the need for intermediaries, making transactions more efficient and cost-effective. Imagine a world where you can transfer money directly to a friend on the other side of the globe without needing a bank or remittance service. That's the power of decentralization. Lastly, blockchain technology brings about a new level of inclusivity. With over 2 billion unbanked people in the world, blockchain offers an opportunity to include these individuals in the global economy. By providing a secure and transparent platform for transactions, blockchain can empower the unbanked with financial independence. Clearly, blockchain technology has some incredible advantages, but like any technology, it's not without its challenges. It's important to understand the downsides of blockchain technology as well. Just as every coin has two sides, blockchain technology, while revolutionary, is not without its drawbacks. One of the most significant concerns associated with blockchain is the high energy consumption. This is particularly true in the case of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies that rely on a process known as mining. Mining is computationally intensive and requires a substantial amount of electricity. This has led to criticisms that blockchain technology could contribute to environmental degradation if not managed responsibly. Another major concern is the potential misuse of blockchain technology in illegal activities. Due to its decentralized and anonymous nature, blockchain can be exploited for illicit purposes, such as money laundering or funding illegal activities. While this isn't a flaw in the technology itself, it's a reality that can't be ignored. The third disadvantage we'll discuss is the challenge of scalability and speed. As more and more transactions are added to a blockchain, it becomes increasingly large, and processing transactions can become slower. This can limit the ability of blockchain systems to scale and meet demand, especially when compared to traditional financial systems. Some might argue that this is a growing pain of an emerging technology, but it's a pain nonetheless. Finally, it's worth noting that blockchain technology is still in its relative infancy. This means there are many unknowns, and the regulatory landscape is still being defined. This can create uncertainty, which can be a barrier to adoption for some businesses. Despite these challenges, it's important to remember that no technology is perfect, and many of these issues are being actively addressed by developers and researchers across the globe. The potential benefits of blockchain technology are immense, and the drawbacks simply represent hurdles to overcome. As you can see, while blockchain technology has significant potential, it also has its share of challenges that need addressing. So, what does the future hold for blockchain technology? As we gaze into the crystal ball of possibilities, we can see blockchain technology permeating various sectors, reshaping them with its transformative potential. Let's take a quick journey into the future and see how blockchain might evolve. First stop, the finance sector. Blockchain technology is poised to revolutionize the way we handle money and conduct transactions. Imagine a world where cross-border payments are made instantly, without the need for a middleman. Or picture a global economy where every financial transaction is transparent, preventing fraud and enhancing security. Next, we visit the supply chain industry. Here, blockchain could ensure the traceability of products from their source to the consumer. This means consumers could verify the authenticity of their purchases, eradicating counterfeit goods and promoting ethical sourcing. Our journey continues into the healthcare sector. With blockchain, patient records could be stored securely and shared seamlessly between healthcare providers, enhancing patient care and saving lives. Research and development into blockchain technology are in full swing. Scientists and technologists worldwide are working tirelessly to overcome the current challenges of blockchain technology. These include issues such as scalability, energy consumption, and the need for more robust security measures. They are exploring new consensus algorithms, designing more energy-efficient systems, and developing advanced cryptographic techniques. The potential applications of blockchain are vast and varied. From voting systems that ensure transparency and prevent election fraud to smart contracts that could revolutionize legal proceedings, the possibilities are endless. But remember, these are just potential applications. The actual future of blockchain technology will depend on a number of factors, including regulatory developments, technological advancements, and market acceptance. In the end, only time will tell how far blockchain technology will go. But one thing is clear, it's a fascinating field that's worth keeping an eye on. So there you have it, a simple guide to understanding blockchain technology. We embarked on a journey starting from the basics and gradually delving deeper. We've learned that blockchain technology is a decentralized digital ledger that records transactions across many computers. It's a system that's secure, transparent, and accountable, with the potential to revolutionize various sectors, from finance to supply chain management. However, it's not without its challenges. Issues such as scalability, energy consumption, and regulatory concerns can't be overlooked. Yet despite these hurdles, the future of blockchain technology appears promising, with continuous innovations and applications being developed. In essence, blockchain technology is not just a trend, it's a paradigm shift in the way we think about and handle data. It's an exciting world, full of potential and opportunities. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of blockchain technology. Stay curious and keep exploring. Enjoyed our journey into the world of blockchain? If you found this video helpful, then we have a lot more in store for you. Our channel is a treasure trove of educational content, covering a wide array of topics. By subscribing, you'll have a front row seat to our explorations, ensuring you never miss out on a learning opportunity. So why wait? Hit that subscribe button, ring the notification bell, and join our community of curious minds. Let's keep learning together, one video at a time. As always, stay curious and keep exploring.